Is your Bybit app refusing to open on your Android device, leaving you stranded from your crypto trading? Let's get that fixed. First, let's try the simplest solution: force closing the Bybit app. Open your recent apps by swiping up from the bottom of your screen and holding, or using the square icon at the bottom. Then, swipe the Bybit app away to close it completely. Now, try opening the app again. If that didn't work, head over to your phone settings, scroll down to Find Apps or Application Manager. Tap it. Find Bybit in the list of apps. Tap on Bybit. In the app settings, look for Storage or Storage and Cache. Tap on it. Here, you'll see options to clear cache and clear data. First, tap on Clear Cache. This removes temporary files that might be causing issues. Then, try opening Bybit again. If it still doesn't work, come back to this screen. This time, tap on Clear Data or Clear Storage. A warning will pop up stating that this will delete all app data, including your login information. So you'll need to log back in, confirm the action, and then open Bybit. Clearing data often resolves persistent issues. If the problem persists, check for updates. Go to the Google Play Store, search for Bybit. If there's an update button, tap it to install the latest version. Outdated apps can sometimes have compatibility issues. As a final step, try restarting your Android device. This clears the system's memory and can resolve conflicts. Press and hold the power button, then select Restart. Once your phone turns back on, open the Bybit app. Hopefully, one of these steps has resolved the issue and you're back to trading on Bybit. If you're still having problems, consider contacting Bybit's customer support for further assistance.